Anyone trying to deploy machine learning in factories knows how difficult the problem can be. A big part of the complexity in scaling machine learning from one machine to another are the variations in image data across those machines, including camera perspectives, variations in the image such as background. This presents many challenges when trying to scale machine learning from one machine to another. At Eigen, we faced the problem of scaling machine learning across multiple machines. Over our years of experience, we've built tool sets that allow us to generate standardized representations of image data on every machine. This allows us to then build machine learning models that are scalable across all machines in a factory or multiple factories. The industry uses the approach of synthetic data in order to improve model robustness. Synthetic data is a strategy to increase the dataset sizes by adding additional variation. The challenges of creating synthetic data are the necessity of generating accurate representations in 3D of the parts that need to be inspected. We found this to be a highly time-consuming and iterative process that often doesn't result in the results you want until a long ways down the road of exploration. We flipped the problem on its head. Instead of using synthetic data approaches that increase variability, our approach is to eliminate variability in our datasets. We've developed software that allows us to generate 3D digital twins for every part that we inspect. This allows us to eliminate the variations caused by different perspectives in the image data in order to generate a standardized representation of that data that leads to scalable machine vision models. As a result, we're able to train models faster on smaller data sets that have higher reliability. Not only has this allowed us to deliver value faster for our customers, the standardized images have allowed us to generate analytics and insights across multiple factories. With Image Twin, eliminate variation in your image data to speed up model training, scale one model across all your machines and lines, learn from one machine to the other, and generate powerful process insights across your organization.